How to delete TikTok messages from both sides. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete messages on TikTok from both sides. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first open the TikTok app, and once you are on the home page, simply tap on the inbox icon where you will see a list of all your messages. Now, once you are here, simply tap on the chat where you want to delete the messages. And once you are inside the chat, to delete the messages from both ends, simply press and hold on the message that you have sent. And a menu with different options will appear from the bottom. From there, simply select Delete Option, which looks like a recycle bin. Now next, you'll see a pop-up with a couple of choices. Now you can either delete the messages for yourself or delete for everyone. So to delete it from both sides, simply tap on delete for everyone, and just like that, the message is gone from both accounts. And if you don't see this option on your screen, just follow the steps. First, exit your inbox and tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen, and this will take you to your profile page. From there, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen, and a menu will appear from the bottom. From there, simply select Settings and Privacy. And once you are on the settings page, simply scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Report a Problem. And this will bring you to the list of options for reporting issues on TikTok. Simply scroll down again and tap on Submit a Report. And now you'll be able to type a brief message explaining the issue that you are facing with deleting messages. Make sure to clarify that you would like to TikTok to fix it, and once you have typed your message, you can simply tap on Submit to send it to TikTok support, and they will get back to you with a solution. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.